It's electrically powered, it's not polluting the air.
Good for the environment?
Very good.
The East Troy Railroad is an electric railroad. The way we get the electricity into the car is with a trolley pole. This is the trolley pole going up, and we're going to touch the live wire. As you can see, the interior lights come on.
In the late 80s, they're not moving much freight. A few movements, it doesn't pay. The railroad wants out of the business. It's owned by the village at that time. They sell us the railroad. We have been here for about 15 years with them, running a tourist line. We've been here ever since running this tourist. This one's the Mercedes-Benz. We have leather seats. That's the Cadillac. We have plush seats in there. Never rebuilt. That lake is very upscale today. It's a small version of Lake Geneva. So, yeah, that's ready kilowatt. It's called. Oh, yeah. It's like a lightning bolt. Power off. They're sleeping at the wheel. Why does our 7 miles of track still remain 104 years old or all original? Why is this here? Well, after no more passengers, the railroad still maintained a freight business here. There was industry here. They would move the freight to the interchange in Mukwonago with the Wisconsin Central. That's the greatest group of neighbors here.
How do you keep your sea legs on the train so well?
Well, it helps if you're a Navy veteran. Lake Beulah will be the next stop. Lake Beulah. Anyone out for Lake Beulah today? We're going to stop here anyway.
My name is Joe Berger. I'm the Chief Mechanical Officer for the East Troy Electric Railroad here in East Troy, Wisconsin. And what you're seeing right now is the inside of our car barn. This is a Milwaukee street car back from the 20s and 30s. And as you can see, here in the barn is where we do all of our work. We work on the air compressors, we can change wheels, we can work on the traction motors, and all of that takes place right here in the barn in East Troy, Wisconsin. And right inside here, what the wheel rolls on is a film of oil, and before each run, we put some oil into the bearing to make sure it's all set to go. And this is something typically that we would do every day before it runs.
Almost got a blue dump truck 2 years ago, but he cleared the crossing before I got there.
Last time we were here, somebody had
Do you want me to like pull my dress? Or
Yeah.
help you or whatever? I think I do need help. There you go.
Oh, that's
good. Oh, you're stepping on your dress.
Wait, I got my camera. What am I standing here for?
route, which is fine. I just. Here, Mom. Here's how you get it. I know I'm getting rid of my bag. Yeah. Here. I am a trolley tramp.
Welcome to the East Troy Electric Railroad dinner train.
This was our first time actually riding the train, and it was suggested to us, and when I saw the website and heard about the things that was going on the train, we were very interested in seeing.
It's very cool, isn't it?
Very cool. Not many times you get to ride a train. So.
Absolutely, and eat on the train.
And eat, exactly. Great food.
Oh, wait a minute, that's Santa's routine.
Ho, 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 ho. Merry Christmas to all.
Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Let's do the second verse in Dutch, everybody. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
I sat on Santa's knee and he asked.
Santa will work in a sack on Christmas Eve and see what we can find.
If you put Frosty the Snowman with a grizzly bear, you know what kind of food you'd get? You'd get a burger! Oh boy. Well, you know.
Thank you, Hannah.
Train is cool, but Santa's old-fashioned and likes reindeer.